Have you ever wanted to let your friend play their favorite song through your Galaxy Buds Live without unpairing or reconnecting Bluetooth every time? Let me show you a simple trick using Music Share on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With Music Share, your friend can temporarily connect their phone through yours and play their music directly to your Galaxy Buds Live. No more pairing, unpairing, or switching devices. To do so, open Setting on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, tap Connection, then tap Bluetooth, tap the three dot at the top right corner, then tap Advanced Setting, tap Music Share, then turn it on. Under Share Devices with, choose Everyone, so your friend can find your phone. Tap Ask for permission to connect and choose Don't Ask. This makes connection smoother. Scroll down and check devices to share and make sure your Galaxy Buds Live appear and are turned on. Now on your phone's friend, they just need to go to Bluetooth setting, find your Galaxy Buds Live, list under Music Share, then tap it, and their music plays through your Galaxy Buds Live. However, you have to make sure that both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this feature to work. And that's it. Music Share makes it super easy to share your Galaxy Buds Live or speaker with friends. No more pairing hassles. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.